Hello, welcome to the Science of Psychology, and we continue in psychology. So today we are beginning the subject entitled Psychology of Human Development. This is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenifumbo. So in this course, we are going to look at the course outline. And in the course outline, we are going to look at the course purpose. So the course that we are working on is Psychology of Human Development. So this course explores the psychological aspects of human development across the lifespan, from infancy to old age. Students will examine the cognitive, social, emotional, and physical changes that occur during different developmental stages and how these changes impact human behavior and interactions. So now when we are talking about human development, we want to look at how the age from conception up to the time that a person dies at old age, how this person changes psychologically, emotionally, in behavior, in the way they think, and that is what we want to look at. So what is the course objective? So we are going to look at some of the things why we have to study this course. So upon completion of this course, students are expected to be able to describe major theories and the principles of human development. That includes psychoanalytical learning and cognitive theories. So there are different theories which have been propounded by the gurus in psychology, and we are going to look at those theories. Then we are also going to look at, by the end of this course, as a student, you must be able to explain the physical, cognitive, social, and emotional changes that occur during different developmental stages, including infance, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. The other thing that we have to understand and we have to know is to be able to analyze the law of genetics, environment, and cultural in shaping human development. So when we talk about genetics, we are talking about the blood or the inheritance that someone carries, how the genes affects someone's behavior as they developed. I think you may agree with me. There are people that grows very fast, both in mind and also physically. This may be as a result of genetical growth. Now, the other time it is the culture, how the culture shapes someone in development. Then we are also going to look at identifying the major milestone and the challenges associated with each development stage. So when we talk about milestones, we are talking about at what age should one do something. So there are people that get behind and we begin to get worried. For example, you have a child and at 2 years that child cannot crawl, so you begin to worry. So there are stages that we expect somebody to develop emotionally and to develop culturally, and in every area of aspect we expect somebody to develop, but so those are the ones that are called milestones. So those are the ones that one should develop. Now, as psychologists, I want us to know what can we do if somebody his development, maybe it's retarded, or maybe if that person has got abnormal development, which is faster development. Then we should also be able to apply knowledge of human development to real world context, such as education, healthy, and social policies. So now, this also can help us in how do we apply in education. So if you are a teacher, you'll be able to understand these ages, how are they affect somebody. If you are in professional, you'll be able to understand how to relate with certain age and certain people and their behavior and their thinking capacity. Sixth, we are going to look at to critically evaluate research and theories in human development and identified areas for future study. So, as a psychologist, you should take interest in developing from what is known to the things that are not known. So, you as a student, you should gain much interest on how you are going to discover more things about human psychology. And we are also going to look at recognize the diversity of human development and the importance of cultural sensitivity and individual differences. So now I want us to know the uniqueness of culture and also the uniqueness of individuals. There are some times where we will expect people to behave in the way, maybe from the cultural background, how you behave, or from where you saw people behaving. So according to culture and environment, people behave accordingly. So we are going to examine, you as a psychologist, you must be able to understand those things. Now, what are the learning outcomes? So by the end of this course, students will demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of human development theories and principles. They must be able to analyze and interpret research findings in human development. Also apply knowledge of development to practical problems and scenarios. Also develop critical thinking and cultural competence. So these are the course outline. These are the subjects that we are going to tackle in this course. So we are going to look at introduction to human development, and we are also going to look at theories of human development. We are going to look at infants and toddlerhood. We are also going to look at early childhood. We will look at middle childhood. We will look at adolescence. We are going to look at young adulthood. We are going to look at middle adulthood, and we are going to look at old age and death and dying. So these are the things that we are going to tackle in this course. So let us be gain interest and let us follow this course. Remember, in every topic there will be some questions, and also there will be an exam. So you need to understand, and this I'll just be giving you the skeleton of what you're going to cover, but I want you to research. So this course is going to be a research based course, so I'll give you more questions so that you may be able to research. Thank you so much, and God bless you. This is Dr. Tulipo Mwenifumbo.